Welcome back, guys, to my session. I am Debojyoti Mitra once more with a lot of love and happiness for you. Hope that all of you are very well. So don't worry, everything is just going to be alright, very shortly even. So, as everyone knows very well that today is the birthday of Bapuji, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So, on the occasion of this phenomenal day, I am just trying to share some of my opinion, some of my interpretation towards all of you. If you also can share some of your conception, some of your, what should I say, the thoughts, thinking about it, comprehensive thoughts. If you have, then you also can go for making or creating a video and a voice clips, and also will be able to share with the audience if you can. And actually, I am much more passionate about it. It's my passion to share something towards all of you. I just can get a zeal and interest from this particular thing, particular duty. So without delaying any more time, guys, I am just going to straight to the main issue, to the main topic for what I have made myself visible. So today is the birthday of the father of nation, Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So this phenomenal, this compassionate and versatile personality was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat, India. He was a political leader, an Indian lawyer, and as well as a very compassionate and benevolent one. Even everyone knows very well about his contribution for our freedom. So the name of his father was Karamchand Gandhi. He was a very intellectual personality, as everyone got it earlier. So whatever he contributed, means Mahatma Gandhi has contributed whatever, it's undoubtedly the betterment for India. He is also called the Indian freedom fighter, and also he was trained in law at Inner Temple, London, and for his better academic career he also moved for South Africa from India, and after returning from South Africa he also organized Himsa in India and also led an ecstatic leadership in India for the freedom movement of ourselves. He taught us how to defeat your opponent by love, but not by hate. You should love others. You have to defeat others by loving. You have to make them feel proud of your decisions, of your activities, of your movements. That after some days, after some years, after some moments, they can be able to feel that, or they can be able to feel themselves as guilty. Like if someone tried to make you irritate, but instead of getting irritated, if you start smiling, if you don't get irritated what another person trying to make you, then this particular person will feel guilty, and that's for sure, guys. If you can have an experimental issue about it, then you also can try it. You also can test it with your practical life. This is the thing. Just Mahatma Gandhi taught us how to be loyal, how to be honest each and every time. It doesn't matter that opponent one, whatever opponent one will do with you, you have to do the same against that particular person. It's not mandatory. It doesn't matter that whatever he is doing with you, you have to do what your what your ideology says to you. Because what love can do, hate could never be able to do so. And Mahatma Gandhi throughout his life earned many more glorious reputations fame for his outstanding contribution to make a modern India. Yes, to make a modern India. The honorific Gandhi was said to him in South Africa, and now this term has been spread throughout the world. It has gone to the track of international. This is the thing. What I said, the term honorific, Gandhi, and that's it. So by nurturing all the norms, principles of the father of nation, Mohanchand Karamchand Gandhi, we have to progress and improve our lifestyle. As usual, he used to say that never try to envy anyone else, never try to hate anyone else. Do help others. If anyone is doing something wrong with you, don't do the same. Rather, you have to be much more compassionate and benevolent to this particular person to make him realize that whatever he is doing, it's not good. But whatever you are doing, whatever you are trying to make him understand, it's right. This is the principles, and you also have to convince others by making them understand through you that loveliness, activities, movements, words. This is the actual victory. Victory is not that comes after a long battle, but a victory is what that comes after a mutual discussion between or among two or three, peoples. This is called victory. Whenever you will be able to make someone understand about the rituals, the norms, the principles of positiveness, then you have to say that you have done something else in your life. And that's it, guys. This is the thing. And for that one, we have to be motivated and inspired a lot. And you also get inspired much more from the norms, from the said words, quotes, whatever have been made by Gandhiji. That's why it's our duty, it's the duty of every Indian citizens to appreciate this personality. He is a dashing personality. Whatever he has made for us, it's definitely for the welfare of our nation. And one more thing is that he taught us how to be self-dependent. He used to make clothes by himself with the help of the mechanism, namely charka. Yes, everyone are familiar to this particular term, charka. Yes, by this spinning wheel, Gandhiji used to make every genres of cloth, like dhuti. In the winter, he used to make a shawl, and many genres of clothes he used to make by himself. This is the well indication of making dependent India. It is also well known as Bengali Atmanirbhar Bharat, as we know very well. So this is the thing that and Mahatma Gandhi just started all the conceptions, all the thoughts about doing something for the betterment of our nation, namely India. Yes, we are proud to be Indian. And not only Mahatma Gandhi, each and every freedom fighter like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bagajotin, Binoy Badal Dinesh, Pritulata Waddadar, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Boshu, and many more else. In English, that's called Khudiram Bose, yeah, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. As a Bengali, I just used the term Boshu, and Rabindranath Tagore also was there, who also have sacrificed to anything else. Even he also eradicated his title Knight given by the British. So, like Mahatma Gandhi, everyone contributed a lot for the freedom of our India, and for them, today, in this present generation, we are moving without any sort of thoughts, without any sort of what should we say that scared. We are not scared right now. Without any sort of greatness, without any sort of fear, we can move forward with our own and independent thoughts, conception. Because previously, during the British rule, even the Indian had no any access and right to portray their personal assumption, their personal conception about any sort of particular thing. And this is known by everyone else in India, not only India, even throughout the world know it very well. So lastly, after a largest time, in the last, and you can also consider it like 11th hour, Gandhiji was successful to make our India free from the British rule. And the last freedom movement of him was Bharat Chhado Andolan, which was held on 1942. After that, it just gave the British a goosebumps that their time was coming to an end. Now they have to leave the India if they want to survive themselves. And that's why. So never mind. So this is the thing, guys. And eventually in 1947, 20th August, we have got the freedom. And after contributing a lot for our nation, India, very unfortunately, our father of nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, was assassinated by Nathuram Godse in 1948. And the date was 30 January. So this is really very, very sad news for all the Indians. But even then, whatever he contributed throughout his life for our India will be memorable forever in each and everyone's heart. He taught us how to melt one heart by sweet words, by honest activities, and that's it. That's all about the character of Mahatma Gandhi, and that's why still he's getting much more appreciation from different corners of the world, because everyone of the world knows very well about Mahatma Gandhi and his contributions, his conceptions, his attitude. Everything is known by everyone. So nothing more today. We are very happy, and as usual, we just celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti, and this is one of the 3 national holidays of India. So nothing more today. It's all about my discussion. I just portrayed my conception about Gandhi Jayanti, and literally I appreciate him a lot as a freedom fighter, and that's all about my thoughts, my share. So nothing more today. I am Devajyoti Mitra signing off for now until we meet again. So till then, stay well and blessed. Thank you. Have a nice future.